Hello friends, this is Ashi Rai from Logical Vibes Law Student. My topic is Preamble. Preamble is an introductory and expressionary statement in a document. Preamble एक ऐसा है जो पर्पस बताता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का. Preamble is one of the most important part in the constitution. There are 73 words in the preamble. Preamble is head of the acts. There are 195 countries in the world of constitution. The main and the vexed question is that whether the preamble is a part of the constitution or not. Deal with this. Let us see cases. Gulaknath versus State of Punjab, AIR 1967. Supreme Court in this held that Prastavna preamble is an ideal symbol of the constitution. In Berebari Union case, the Supreme Court ruled out that constitution is a part, that a preamble is a part. Preamble is, in this case, that preamble is not a part of the constitution. And then next case, one of the most important, Keshavnath Bharti. In this case, the Supreme Court or Apex Court rejecting the earlier opinion and then held that preamble is a part of the constitution and a most important integral or significant role to play in the constitution. In this, now the second case is Union Government versus LIC of India. In this also, the Supreme Court once again held that preamble is an integral part of the constitution. This preamble is a part of the constitution and even amendable provision of the constitution. The main purpose of the constitution, उद्देश्य preamble का. The preamble does not grant any power. इसमें कोई पावर नहीं रहती है, बट वो डायरेक्शन देता है और उसका पर्पस बताता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का. The preamble contains fundamental of the constitution. एंड देन FIR मुंबई में भी यही बता गया है कि प्रस्तावना और preamble is an most important part of the constitution. About socialist, secular, democratic, republic, fraternity, justice. Let us start. Socialist. What is socialist? The word socialist implies that India is neither independent. See, India is a independent country. इंडिया का कोई भी इंटरफेरेंस नहीं है दूसरी कंट्री से. दूसरी कंट्री कोई इंडिया पर इंटरफेरेंस नहीं कर सकती है. इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंट है और खुद वो अपने रूल्स बना सकती है. Let us see in history. In India 1949, India declared continuance of full membership of the Commonwealth of Nations. British Crown is the head of the Commonwealth. Let us see about socialist. Socialist is most important point in preambles. Socialist, even before the term was added 42nd amendment in 1976, the constitution socialist contained in the form of directive principle. ठीक है, इसमें सोशलिस्ट में मेन एम है कि इनइक्वालिटी को रिमूव करना है, हमें ब्रदरहुड कॉमन करना है, हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं करना है मैन एंड वुमेन में, सेक्स में और गोरे कार्य में. तो नाउ द इंडियन ब्रांड ऑफ सोशलिज्म इज अ डेमोक्रेटिक सोशलिस्ट, नॉट अ कम्युनिस्ट. ठीक है, इसलिए अब नेक्स्ट वी विल सी अबाउट सेक्युलर. Secular was added by the 42nd amendment. In 1976, a secular state means the state protects all religion. इसमें मतलब कोई किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकता है कि आप ये रिलीजन फॉलो करिए और वो. इसमें खुद आप अपना इक्वली फॉलो कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट अस, और इसमें आर्टिकल 25 एंड 26 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन किया गया है फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन, और एक ये पॉजिटिव है, पॉजिटिव डेवलपमेंट है इंडिया के तरीके से. नाउ डेमोक्रेटिक. द डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिसी is based on the doctrine of popular sovereignty. Now, socialist justice denotes the equal treatment of all citizens, इसमें without any discrimination based on caste, religion, caste. और इसमें economic justice होता है that not discrimination on the basis of economic factors. Now, liberty. The term liberty means the absence of restraints on the activity of individual. इसमें for the development of individual personalities रहता है. The preamble secures to all citizens India liberty of thought, expression और बिलीफ के लिए, उसमें पूजा पाठ के लिए, फंडामेंटल राइट्स के लिए और कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ के लिए. नाउ लेट अस सी अबाउट द इक्वलिटी. इक्वलिटी का मतलब होता है सबके लिए इक्वल भावना होनी चाहिए, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए किसी भी कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन में, सबको फ्रीडम रहनी चाहिए इक्वली. द टर्म इक्वलिटी मीन्स द एब्सेंस ऑफ प्रिविलेजेस टू एनी सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी. नाउ इसमें इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी रहनी चाहिए हर एक इंडिविजुअल में विदाउट एनी भेदभाव, कोई भी बिना भेदभाव के इक्वली रहना चाहिए. नाउ लेट अस सी आर्टिकल्स इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में. आर्टिकल 14 में मेंशन किया गया है इक्वलिटी बिफोर द लॉ. इसमें इक्वली मतलब सबको ट्रीटेड करना चाहिए. नाउ लेट अस सी इन प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन ग्राउंड ऑफ कास्ट, रेस, रिलीजन, सेक्स in article 50. Now let us see article 16 में mention किया गया है equality of opportunity in matter of employment. Now article 17 में mention किया गया है abolition of untouchability. abolition of untouchability का मतलब होता है कि छुआछूत नहीं होनी चाहिए, छुआछूत नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now article 18 abolition of titles और the directive principles 39 secures to men and women right. Now what is fraternity? Fraternity मतलब means होता है, means the sense of brotherhood. The continuation promotes this feeling of fraternity by the system of single citizenship. इसमें fundamental duties article 51A में says that it shall be the duty of spirit of common brotherhood. सबके साथ भाईचारा रहना चाहिए एक तरीके से. ये भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा दूसरा रिलीजन है तो हम तुमसे बात नहीं करेंगे, अनटचेबिलिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, इक्वली रहना चाहिए सबके साथ और भाईचारा रहना चाहिए. The term integrity has been added in the preamble by the 42nd Constitution Amendment 1976. According to K.M. Munshi, a member of drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly, the phrase dignity of the individual signifies that the Constitution not only material betterment but इसमें betterment होता है individual का भी. Thank you. We will discuss about the cases of preamble. Let us start. Golaknath versus State of Punjab. This case is most important case in preamble and in constitution. This is most integral part of our constitution. Let us start. Golaknath, the court developed jurisprudence around what was known as a basic structure as doctrine. अब इसमें ये बताया गया है अकॉर्डिंग दिस डॉक्ट्रिन द कोड was in charge to prevent the erosion the values or the essence of constitution. Now it was इसमें डिसाइडेड किया गया है 11 जजेस के द्वारा कि गोलकनाथ एक फैमिली थी जिसमें 500 एकड़ की जमीन थी और इसमें लेकिन ये कहा गया था बट द लैंड टेन्योर एक्ट के तहत यह कहा गया है कि इसमें वो कुछ पोर्शन ही रख सकते हैं 500 एकड़ में से, बाकी सब जाएगा गवर्नमेंट के लिए. बट इसमें इन दिस केस द कोर्ट हेल्ड दैट इट इज अ preamble is an integral part of our constitution and they have a right to property under this article 19 of the constitution. Now here in this case issues involved that whether the amendment is a law under the meaning of article 13(2), whether the fundamental rights can be amended or not. Now let us see next case. In this case, the Beriberi case. Here this dispute was resolved by the Nehru Moon Agreement of 1958, whereby Beriberi Union number 12 was to be given to the Pakistan and the other half to the India. Here the Supreme Court held that Parliament of India is not competent make a law under Article 3 for the implementation. इसमें कहा गया है most important कि preamble is not a part of a constitution. So let us see in next cases. Here Minerva Mills versus Union of India. Here AIR 1980, Supreme Court 1789, decided in 31st July 1980. In this case, with the help of preamble, इसमें preamble की help के द्वारा ये कहा गया है कि a relationship was established between fundamental rights and directive principle. Here, in this case, the Supreme Court said that there is no case of superiority between Article 3 and Part 3 and Part 4. Now, both are complementary with each other. और क्या है? Both are complementary with each other, fundamental rights and directive principle. Here, in this case, the controversial, according to 42th Amendment, was striked by the Supreme Court. It was held that judicially, it is a basic structure. Preamble is a basic structure and cannot be amended. Now, let us see most important case, Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala, AIR 1973. It was decided by, इसमें 13 judges के द्वारा ये किया गया है और the largest constitution bench कहा गया है. Here in this, the case to discuss about restricting government interference in fundamental right to property. Now, during 1972 to 1971 to 1972, some constitutional amendment took place as a result of which Kerala Act land reform here in this 9th schedule. The court said about three important things in this. Supreme Court said that Parliament can amend the whole constitution including fundamental right. Here in this, but the basic structure of the constitution नहीं हटेगा. Here basic structure was defined and specified in this case. For example, judicial review. Now our conclusion. In conclusion, we will say that preamble is a key to open the minds or key to interpretation of the constitution. It is a brief of the constitution. It is an introductory statement. It cannot be wrong. Now, it cannot be wrong to say that preamble is a basic structure of the constitution. Thank you so much to view this video and like, subscribe Logical Vibes.